How to install the Bestdemin filter to your clinic's autoclaves. Begin by mounting the black wall bracket. Make sure there's enough headroom for the white filter head. Set the filter head to position 0. The access hose must be mounted in the direction of the arrow. Remove the blue clip by turning it 45 degrees and pull it away from the filter head. Replace the elbow with the access hose. Then place the filter head in the black wall bracket. Remove the elbow on the outlet side and mount either 6 or 8 mm push-in fittings. The direction of the elbow can be adjusted as you wish. Before inserting the Bestdemin filter, remove the dust cap and screw the filter into the filter head. Remove the red safety clip at the push-in elbow and insert the autoclave connection hose. Remember to remount the red safety clip at the push-in elbow. At the top of the filter head you will find a small flush valve. Open the pin and rinse the filter with a minimum of 2 liters of water. There are 2 spare 8 mm push-in elbows included for converting from other filter types to Bestdemin filters.